Hi guys, it's KatherineKnows and welcome back to KatherineKnows. If you want to achieve this highlight so bright it can be seen from outer space, please keep watching.
Looking for a way out of.
So the first thing I'm going to use is a liquid highlighter, and then I'm going to lock it all in place with a bit of powder highlighter, and that's really going to make it hold and really going to make it last. I like to use it on the side here, so I'll just do a couple of dots. So just using my finger and in patting motions, just going to blend that out, and you can see already the magic that is happening before your eyes. So I always like to have the product really concentrated at that high point of the cheekbone and have it really beautifully diffuse out, kind of like in a C shape. So all that glow is essentially going to be on the side of the face. Then I'm taking my TBX concealer brush, taking a little bit of that highlighter and highlighting my brow bone. So just where the arch of my eyebrow is, I'm going to pop a little bit there. And then just kind of like diffuse it out into that beautiful C shape we had there. Just a little bit above the brow bone. Just a touch right here. And then kind of like blending it up to the forehead. I've got like quite a large forehead and I don't want to accentuate that even more. So I don't like to bring it up too far up. But as you can see there already, not so much highlighter from the front of the face, but as soon as I move my face to the side and you get a bit of that movement going, then you can really see that glow. So essentially, I like to just keep my highlight right before my cheek, because I find that if I take that highlighter and I bring it all the way down to the front, that's when I start looking sweaty. I actually like to take a little bit on the tip of my nose, just right there. So I'm just going to like pat that in, pat it, dab it, dab it, dab it. And then I take a little bit of that liquid highlighter just on the cupid's bow. Kind of makes your lips look a little bit fuller. And that is pretty much it for the liquid highlighter. Now I'm going to lock it all in place with a bit of powder. So the brush I'll be using today is the TBX Fan Highlighter Brush. I'm going to use this to dust on the highlighter, and then also use the concealer to kind of accentuate my features a little bit more. So I like to take a little bit on that fan brush. And the key thing, because you don't want your whole face to be lit like a disco ball, always tap off the excess. And you guys are gonna die at the pigment that this thing produces. Like, oh my freaking diggity god, is that not so fantastic? I'd put more on, but I feel like I'll start looking like a glazed donut, you know? So just whatever's left on the brush, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of flick it this way. So again, you get that nice, beautiful, glowy, awesome. And take a little bit more on that fan brush, and I'm going to pop it just above my brow bone. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean off my concealer brush, and I'm going to dip into the same powder highlighter. Okay, tap off the excess, and I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my arch. Oh, look at that. Is that not so amazing? It just makes it pop. My inner corners. Okay. Ow, that hurt my elbow very much, but I'm just going to keep going through with it. No pain, no gain. Okay. So just a little bit in the tear duct area. Just kind of brightens your eye, opens your eye up a little bit more. A touch on the tip of my nose, and then also on the cupid's bow. And you know what, if you guys really want to amp it up a bit, take a bit of that powder highlighter with your precision brush. Woo, there we are, get it poppin'. Hey, oh. So today I'm using the Cinch Face Sheet Moisturizer and Glow. I feel like I'm blessing myself. And that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes our video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave a comment down below or give this video a thumbs up. And I hope you guys are enjoying your day or night wherever you are in the world. Mwah! Bye! Stay happy!